Good morning, everyone. It's another beautiful day here in Germany, and I'm starting my day with a cup of water. I know it might seem strange, but it's just an habit. And then now that I've had my water, I'm going to make some tea. In Kenya, tea is a part of our morning routine, and it's a habit that I can't give up yet. So yeah, and of course there's nothing like the smell of freshly brewed tea in the morning, and I'm going to let this brew for some few minutes before I enjoy my breakfast, which I'm also boiling some eggs on the side. And yeah, that's the tea, guys. My tea. So I boiled eggs and some, I don't know what those things are called. Then I did slice some tomatoes, and yeah, that's me sitting down to enjoy my breakfast. That's the tea, by the way. And I'm always on a call every morning with my sister because we are not used to being this far apart. And yeah, we've been away from each other for the last 4 months, and it's not been easy. So we always call each other every morning. This is a daily ritual that we both enjoy, allowing us to catch up on the latest news and gossip from back home. Yeah, my own updates and things like that for the day, and it's always good. This is like a daily ritual. It helps us keep our connection strong and vibrant. We both appreciate the opportunity to check in with each other, sharing both the good and the bads in our lives. Yeah, I will wrap up the call later, but always promising to call her again. Yeah, so after my breakfast, I'm going to shower. I'm preparing to join a boot camp. I've been preparing, but today is one of those days where I have to learn a few things before I continue with my day. So yeah, I want to be ahead of the tutors. So today I'm learning about Git. If you know, if you're a software developer or if you're in tech, you know what Git is. So today I want to learn a bit about Git for like 1 hour. Then I have some issues with my bank, so I have to go and sort because I can't access the gym because they could not deduct some money from the bank for payment. Yeah, so I'm going to sort that from the gym. Then I'm going to the mall to buy something that I need for my outfit videos. And yeah, so that's it. Now I'm going to dedicate 1 hour into studying Git. I hope you can see. Yeah, I'm going to study Git and things like that. So see you.
wake up to reality. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be.
Buy myself flowers. I bought some flowers, then I went to the mall to buy myself these clothes for the content, as I told you guys. Yeah, so that's what I got. They were on sale at this night. We are making some pizzas, and that's our dinner today. I don't know the names of these two pizzas, but yeah, that's what we are eating today. And yeah, I'm just here admiring them. I won't make a video of us eating, and after dinner I'm going to be shopping at Shein because I'm not in the mood to edit videos. I'm not in the mood to study. Today I'm just in the mood to shop, so I'm on the online Shein shopping. Anyway, Shein is an online shop, so yeah, I'm on Shein shopping, going through reviews, just admiring the girls on the website because they look good, and buying a few things. I am buying belts. I have ordered some belts. I hope they will arrive by the end of the week. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing for tonight. Nothing more, nothing less. Shopping. And as usual, I'm going to write something on my diary. I'm always writing something on this diary. So yeah. Then I'm going to bed, and yeah, good night guys. That's it for this vlog.